CU broadcast. Welcome to our coverage of CULytics Summit here in beautiful Seattle, Washington. And in the studio lounge, we have Mr. Manish Sharma, co-founder, CEO at Rezolve.ai. Manish, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Better now that you're here. we get to talk about a really timely and cool topic today, and that's ChatGPT bots for credit unions. But first, give us a quick take on some of your conference expectations. I know you're going to be speaking here and obviously attending and taking in all the content. So what are some of your expectations?
No, it's pretty amazing to be here back in person after a while. COVID broke got the practice of coming together and talking to each other and exchanging ideas and whatnot. So I'm very excited to be here in Seattle. Although the weather of Seattle, it is what it is.
It's a little rainy today, but that's why everything is so green here.
So I think everyone is very much interested in AI right now.
Oh yeah.
We just came out of a keynote speech which was about AI. So
really
this
good.
is the topic to be in, and I think everyone is trying to figure out how they can use AI,
right?
In what capacity, what will benefit them, what are the use cases, how exactly is going to change their life, right? Those kind of things. And Rezolve.ai has been known as a product to bring AI in everyday employee support and employee engagement at credit unions. So I'm very happy to be here and very good conversations I have.
Yeah, no doubt. It seems like AI right now seems to be kind of like the wild, wild west a little bit, because of all the things that are going on. And the topic here, ChatGPT-like bots for employee support for credit unions. So I find this really fascinating because there's some incredible practical usage for ChatGPT, as we've said, but there's some stuff that goes off the rails as well.
Yeah.
But let's focus on the positive stuff here. So give me a quick overview on this.
So before I just talk about ChatGPT, let's understand what Rezolve.ai does, right? So we are an employee support platform. So that means you have your ticketing and you have your automation engine, and there's an AI component where people can just chat with the bot instead of having to make a phone call to someone or write an email about an issue that they're facing. The people who use this credit unions that use this product they use it for IT support, they use it for HR support, they also use it for member support people, because member support people are seeking, or branch employees are seeking a lot of information all the time. They don't have easy access to information that they need right away. And typically a bot scenario is the best kind of way to access information right away. Now, this is pre-ChatGPT. Then comes ChatGPT, like generative AI models into the scene. And what Rezolve.ai did was they quickly integrated the ChatGPT-like APIs and ChatGPT-like libraries to build our own proprietary solution and added that to our traditional solution. What does it mean? What does it do? For credit unions, what it means is, first of all, any ChatGPT-like solution today has to be secure. I heard a lot of people ask me that question, hey, if I give you any data, does that data go,
where does it go?
Where does it go? So we have a secure solution.
Okay.
That means the data remains in your tenant, only you have access to it. All the generative AI is using that, but it's not going anywhere, it's not being stored anywhere.
Okay.
So that's the first thing. So we are among the first solutions to bring that kind of solution.
Oh, thank you.
And the second piece is, you can just feed your information to it. So assume you are a member support, so you are CEO of a credit union, and it's a big challenge for employees to learn or give answers. What you're going to do, you take all your documents, whatever you have, feed it to the bot. You can feed it either via, put it in a SharePoint folder, and the bot will learn it from it. You can upload the documents. If you have any website where this is happening, you can send it there. So bot will learn this, and then bot will start answering on the basis of that, and that's pretty much instantaneous. You push a button, and now the bot can give answers on the basis of the documentation that was fed to it. And what that does is, and these answers are not cut and paste answers, these are intelligent answers. They're inferences being drawn. So if some information is in 2 documents, the bot is smart enough to say, well, I think because this information, it can add the 2 information then provide you the answer. So this goes to the next level. So what is the implication? Your member support people have access to amazing information right away. Your general employee issues, IT, HR can go away. You can upload all your HR policies, employee handbook, and anyone can ask a question to the bot.
And it's all instantaneous.
It's all instantaneous, and if the
gosh.
bot cannot handle it, it creates a ticket, assign it to the right.
Really?
We have a
Okay.
ticketing solution to assign it to the right department. It has automation built in. It can, like for example, create an account or go to a system, give you access to a folder. So it can do things as well, depending on who you are and what you're asking
Right,
for and whether
right.
your approval is required or not. If an approval is required, it can go fetch an approval and then do things for you. And this is all, by the way, happening in Microsoft Teams. So Teams is where everyone is nowadays. So if you're in Teams,
Yeah.
you can just do all these things, get smart answers, and get things done.
Amazing.
The bot can go take care of approvals, etc., for you, and then get things. So that's what Rezolve.ai does, and we think there's a lot of implications on how you support your employees going forward.
Yeah, and so what's the big benefit message here? Because it sounds like efficiency seems like the big word. I mean, what are some of the other benefits that you see from this whole the bot process, if you will?
So one thing that I always see is this unlocking the knowledge of an enterprise. Enterprises have knowledge, but it's always hidden, stored, tucked away somewhere, right? Not easily accessible, not usable. Go find it kind of scenario.
Right,
if
right.
you want to figure it out, right?
Now you got the bot to do that for you, right?
Exactly. So now you got a personal assistant who'll go figure out things
Yeah,
for you
yeah.
and at least provide you the right information at the right time. We have a term called enterprise friction, right? So enterprise friction is when you're trying to get something done and you cannot get it done.
Right.
Just like physics, that's the friction that
Yeah,
you face.
yeah.
So we are in the process of reducing enterprise friction. If you want to get something, let us help you get it done faster.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean that's the name of the game today is speed.
Yeah.
Everybody's talking about speed, and no matter what part
Yeah.
of an organization's processes and stuff. So speed is the name of the game. So gosh. So what should credit unions be doing here? Obviously implementing this, but what are some steps? What's some advice that you provide?
So first advice is, we are offering credit unions free trial. You can just come,
Oh, awesome. Okay.
experience the product. We'll, you can put some of your documents, upload it, see how it behaves. So I want credit unions to explore it firsthand, because to be honest, we have a very powerful and secure technology, and they will come up with some of the use cases of automation and how to use it better than we will.
Yeah.
So first thing I'm offering is all credit unions come, just use the product, and automatically I think the second stage will be just collate all your knowledge, put it in one place, and just start using it. Go into the feedback loop, learn from it, and
Right.
improve.
What does it look like to the end user? I'm trying to imagine this in my head. If I'm working at a particular credit union, is it like on an intranet or is it on internet?
Teams.
Oh, it's on Teams. I apologize.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So
It's
they
on
just go into
Teams.
their Teams account.
It's all
boom,
in Teams.
It's all right there.
You're
My
just
bad.
chatting with someone. You click on an app called, it can be named on your credit union,
Right,
or you
right.
can have Rezolve app. Click there, and now you're chatting with
Well, okay then. Never mind. Never mind. Well, cool, Manish. And when you're going to be talking about this today, right?
We are talking about this on Thursday.
Oh, Thursday, okay.
morning we have a session.
Well, you're here a little early. It's only Tuesday.
Yeah, exactly.
So good stuff.
exactly.
All righty. Well, anything else you want folks out there to know? And-
No, I mean we are already working with more than 10 credit unions.
Oh, are you?
today,
Okay.
Yeah, and this year we hope to work with many more. Credit
sure you
unions,
will. I'm sure you will.
helping them gain more efficiency and be more competitive and help their members.
Indeed. I want to add one more question here, because GPT is such a polarizing topic.
Yeah,
I mean,
please.
you love it or hate it or
Yeah,
somewhere in between. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT and its potential before I let you go here?
I think it is a great tool for at least some of the stuff that we are trying to do, right? Like unlocking the knowledge, right? Reducing enterprise friction and so on and so forth. In general, where generative AI will go, right? I think we are like the keynote speaker said, we're in the hype cycle.
Yeah, you're right.
Everyone is too much worried about
Yeah,
it right now.
Yeah.
I think there will be some use cases like the one we are working on, which are very obvious. I think everyone is going to deploy them. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah.
Beyond that, it's an unknown right now. I can predict it, you can predict it, we have to say, but I have a feeling that it might not be as fast as we think. It might take a full 4 to 5 years. By the time all of us will figure out how to adjust to the new reality. So my only hope is that changes happen at the pace at which we as humanity can adjust.
Agreed.
Adjust to those changes. That's all I wish.
Good stuff. All right, Manish, I'm going to let you get going because I know there's lots of good content in there. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. You're again with Rezolve.ai with a Z, Rezolve.ai, and want to give another quick plug to Rezolve.ai before we let you go?
Yeah, so please visit Rezolve.ai and you can book a meeting right there. It's Rezolve.ai. Book a meeting, talk to us. We will be very happy to talk to you.
Right on. Well done. All right, Manish, thank you so much.
Thanks
well
so much.
done.